Welcome to my favorite keyboard shortcuts in InDesign. Hopefully, you'll find that some of these workarounds will help you move through the program quickly and be more efficient with your work. The first thing I want to point out is how you do some zooming. With Command plus, you can zoom into an area. Command minus allows you to zoom out. Command 0 allows you to fit everything on the screen. Oftentimes you'll be working in an area and be in your type tool and recognize you need a quick access to the selection tool. If you hold the Command key down, it gives you temporary access to your selection tool, and when you let go, your type tool is exactly where you had been. Another quick shortcut, if you are in your selection tool and you hold down the space bar, you get a temporary hand tool that will help you move around and navigate your pages. If you have a situation like this where I have one object, a text box, on top of another, the line, it can be hard to access that line. But if you hold the Command key down, you can dial down and access that bottom object. So Command lets you dial down to other layers. One thing you might see is hitting the Tab key. That temporarily hides all your tools and panels. Just hit the Tab key again and those will reappear. To get a quick preview without all of the guides, just hit the W and you'll be able to see what the document will look like when printed. To place an item, use Command D and then select what you're going to place. Another thing that I find is helpful so you don't end up with these kind of overlapping text boxes is Alt or Option, Command and C, and it just shrinks up that text box to fit the content so you can kind of resize your boxes and get those to work more efficiently. So those are my favorite keyboard shortcuts.